Good morning. It's time for maths, and this week we're all about subtraction, aren't we? Now, when we're subtracting, does the number get bigger or does it get smaller? That's right, it gets smaller. Now, I know you've done subtraction on a number line before, but we're going to do it again. So here is my number line. Goes all the way up to 20. I drew it myself, it's quite neat, I'm quite pleased. Okay. So because we're subtracting, today we will be going down the number line. We're subtracting, so we go down. So let's think of a number sentence. Let's put one on. I might pause you while I do it. Okay, I've got a number sentence on, let's read it. 10 subtract 5 is. So I'm going to use my pointy stick. I'm going to put my pointy stick on 10 because it's the first number in the number sentence. Here it is, 10. And I am going to move 5 times down the number line. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we are. I moved 5 times and I've landed on 5. So 10 subtract 5 is 5. Should we do another one? I'll put another one on the board. Right, I've got another one on. Let's read it. 13 subtract 4 is. Now, if you weren't sure which one 13 was on the number line, you could find it by counting up. So let's see if we can find 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There it is, 13. So that's where I'm starting because that's at the start of the number sentence. And I am going to subtract 4. So I'm going down the number line because the number will get smaller. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, do you see where I landed? I landed on 9. So the answer is 9. Let's check our number sentence. 13 subtract 4 is 9. Now I wondered, did you notice when I started counting, when I was on 13, and I counted, you have to move before you count, because sometimes people count the number that they start on. So always remember, move, then count. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Otherwise, you get the wrong answer. Right, let's do one more together. And then you can get your grown-ups to give you some of your own. Right, I've got another one on the board, the final one that we will do together. Here we go. 18 subtract 7 is. So where do I need to start? That's right, I need to start at 18 because it's the first part of the number sentence. 18. And because we're subtracting, which way down the number line do I go? I said it then, didn't I? Down. So how many times do we have to go down? 7. Right, careful counting. Remember, move then count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you see? There we go. 11. 11 is the answer. Let's check then. 18 subtract 7 is 11. Okay, so we've done it on a number line or a number track. You should all have some in your packs at school. If you haven't, you can just draw one. I drew mine and it worked. So grown-ups, if they're not comfortable working with numbers above 10, stick with numbers under 10. Work with whatever your child can do. If they're working with numbers above 20, by all means, go above. Okay, good luck everybody.